You know why global warming is a problem? Because of this dude. Look at him, dude. Half the world's pollution is right here. Dude, what is that? Kerosene. Loser. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about anxiety. The second chapter in our mental health series, anxiety. What is anxiety? First question, right? Let's suppose you have a presentation to give, and this presentation is in front of all your colleagues or all your classmates or all your friends and something like that. So now you're filled up with all this stress and you're nervous. This stress can be good sometimes because it will help you perform better and keep you alert. But after the presentation, you start realizing that this stress is slowly fading away. That isn't the case with some of us because this stress doesn't fade away. Now, what exactly is generalized anxiety disorder? Generalized anxiety disorder is basically when, okay, let me just introduce you to three different words: excessive, persistent, and unreasonable. Alright? Excessive, persistent, and unreasonable anxiety about doing everyday things such as getting out of the house or going to work, going to college, booking tickets for a movie, things that involve money, or about your relationship. Can I make it, please? Okay, thank you. Or your family, etc. By excessive, I mean you're stressing out more than you should about whatever you're thinking about. By persistent, I mean like this stress doesn't go away. It's just there. It's constantly there. It's bothering you, and it's just like, yo, this is irritating now. Yeah, that's persistent. And by unreasonable, I mean like, there is no need to take stress. What's there in booking a movie ticket? There's no reason for your stress. You see these three words here: excessive, persistent, and unreasonable. Stress or anxiety about doing everyday things. This is what we call GAD, or generalized anxiety disorder. There are various symptoms to this, some of which include very irritability, sleeplessness, lack of concentration, lack of focus, muscle tensions and stuff like that. Your mind is racing. All of these put together starts resulting in fatigue, just being tired all the time. Coming to the causes, like I mentioned in my previous video, chapter 1 of mental health, that is depression. Again, there are two basic factors that cause anxiety. One is genetic and one is environment. Oh boy, bro. Oh boy. These roads, bro, you don't know what's happening. Where was I? Oh yeah. Genetic and environmental factors. It depends on your genes and your environment. But anxiety can be treated. There are again two ways to treat anxiety. One is using psychotherapy and the other one is using medications. By psychotherapy, don't get me wrong, it isn't as bad as it sounds. Psychotherapy is basically like, behavior therapy, or it's also known as cognitive behavior therapy, wherein you are trained, you are taught how to think and react differently to any problem, eventually just taking the anxiety out of the equation. And the other one is using medications. We know now that people with anxiety disorders they're very irritable, they're very restless. When it comes to medications, as per my understanding, you're given medicines that have this calming effect on you, that give you time to just relax and react in a different way. And yeah, dude, anxiety in a nutshell. There is nothing wrong with having anxiety. It's very normal. Unlike this, it's not a zebra crossing, you're still crossing. Okay. In fact, having any of these two mental health problems, yeah, anxiety and depression, it just shows that your environment or the things that are causing this problem is it's challenging you. So it will make you a better person, a stronger person. That's all this is. So there's nothing to feel shy about. That's why I'm talking about it. I'm talking about these because the society, especially in India, they don't treat it like it's a real problem. People be like, go for a movie, you feel better, or go for a jog. That's not the case, yeah. These problems, they're not a joke. They should be taken seriously after a point. So yeah, dude, that's anxiety in a nutshell. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, all of that stuff. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Bro.